Mother Teresa Award winner, dreamer and visionary, Dr. Shanda, Professor Swaminathan, FRS, distinguished personages on the dais and off the dais. As I stand here as a professional scientist, my mind goes back to Raman effect and Chandrasekhar effect. These are the two effects we have learned to our heart's content, able to reproduce it at any point of time. But I have now discovered a new effect called Shanti effect or Shanda effect. A quick back of the envelope calculation to get a Bark-Paul figure. If you assume that 55 years of oncological service at the rate of 300 days in a year, I have the privilege of excluding the Sundays, but I include the Saturdays. And assuming 70% going through her hands on a lifetime, 10 million, assuming a median survival rate of 10 years at that point of time for cancer survival, I have calculated this Bark figure at 10 million years of life added by you. Madam, that is a staggering quantitative figure. But the quality of mercy is not strained, as Shakespeare said. The reason is very simple. There are moments of life. The quality of life extension given by an oncologist depends upon the patient. When a woman in her mid-years, when the family wants her most, when the children are to be brought up to a certain level of maturity, and if a life extension can be given to a woman with breast cancer at the age of 35 to 45, the quality of life imparted at that point of time cannot be compared in the quantitative terms. That is what I would call the quality factor. Now, that's one aspect of it, that the personal contribution of excellence from an oncologist. Look at the institution building which he has done. 100,000 patients go for treatment every year. Assuming again a median survival rate of 10, we have 1 million years added to the life. That is a self-sustaining with no limits to growth concept, which you have built up, and that is going to have an exponential phase. That is probably the greatest contribution you have done to the modern history of India. We are proud. We are legitimately proud. We are naturally proud as a trustee of the Indian Development Foundation that poetic justice and Einstein's concept that concern for man and fate for human destiny should be the chief endeavor of all scientific investigations. Never forget this in the midst of your equations and graphs. Madam, in the equations and graphs of oncology, you have never forgotten this. We are grateful to you for this great service to humanity. Thank you.